बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल DIY craft videos. So viewers, how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful and super classy sewing craft ideas. These are very beautiful, these are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very pretty and very unique. Looks of sewing craft ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty, these are very unique and very classy looks of sewing craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed this video. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. I personally make these type of sewing craft work. I love to make sewing ideas for my home decor, for my home storage, for my personal storage, for my different things. This one is best for storage. And you also watch pin holders for hijabi girls. These are the best and super amazing pin holders for your hijab. And if you want different other kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very simple and very elegant and very beautiful ideas for you guys, and you must try at your homes. You watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of sewing craft ideas, and you easily make at your homes. And I hope so you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.